Hello crypto enthusiast, welcome to my channel Crypto Combat. Today I'm here again with another testnet airdrop called Hiphop. Okay, as you can see right here, they have raised $1 million, okay, to launch this airdrop, which is $1 million airdrop, right? So right here, a participant can actually earn $5 to $20 reward for participants. Okay, so if this is too small for you, you can skip, but if not too small for you, you can learn. And also you can subscribe to my channel so you won't get missed on any update I drop. So right here right now we'll be going to the process. Okay, as you can see, they say connect X, complete X tags, submit your SUI address for airdrop. I recommend using a dedicated SUI wallet. So right here right now I'm going to show you guys on how to do that. So right now I'm going to head to my Mrs. browser, because I'm going to use a Mrs. browser because it's got extension. So right now I'm going to like create account on this. So I'll be making a different video, okay, concerning how to connect your wallet extension, okay, the process, how it's been done, and how to add it to the Mrs. browser extension. So right here right now, it's in my recovery phase. I can actually save it. I can actually copy it, as you can see right here, this this. So I will go ahead and copy it. Okay, as you can see here, copy successfully. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. So when they tell me I should input it again, I'm gonna input it exactly how they want me to do it. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned. So now all you gotta do when you click next is for you to put your password and confirm your password. Okay, so I'll be doing that soon. So when you've done that, all you gotta do is to click on next. Okay, you say protect your wallet with additional security. Okay, use a password to secure your wallet, right? So require password to. So as you can see, you can like how is it called, unlock your wallet with a password and so on and so forth. So right here, let me just see what they are saying here. Auto lock wallet after 30 seconds, right? So you can choose, is it 30 seconds you want, is it 1 minute, is it 5 minutes? I'm just gonna like click on 1 minute. You say confirm transaction. I click on continue. Welcome to SUI wallet. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm inside my wallet right here right now. So as you can see, I can like check on this. I can check on things like this. Okay, as you can see here, and so on. So but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go straight to all this process. Okay, let's go to the main stuff right here. So now that we are done, let's go to the main tags. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna like go back here. Now look at what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna copy the I'm gonna copy this referral link you're seeing here, the link. I'm gonna go straight to the Mrs. browser. Okay, click on this, tap on the new tab. Okay, then the search bar, you click on the link. Okay, you paste the link there and it's gonna load. Okay, because everything is gonna be done in this Mrs. browser. Okay, so that is how the process works. Okay, as you can see here, $1 million Hippo airdrop. Okay, complete simple tasks and earn hip hop point to join the drop. Okay, so right here I'm going to click on the start and get started. Okay, so this is the next phase. Please stay to the end of this video to see how I'm doing this. Okay, watch this step by step, because it's step by step I'm showing you guys how to do this. I'm not jumping any step. Okay, so I'm going to click on this connect X. Now it's going to take me to my X, which is Twitter. Just wait. So as you can see here, they are telling me people want to as you call, want to access your X account. Okay, so I'm gonna like authorize it. Okay, this is me call to claim 001. So I'm just gonna authorize it. It's loading. So as you can see here, sign up, enter referral code. This is my referral code right here. Okay, so as you can see here, call to claim 001. okay, connected. So right here right now, as you can see, I've got 000. So this is the tax we'll be doing, which is 200 points for you to follow hip hop X account, okay, connect wallet, and so on and so forth, like post and so on. Okay, as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5, this 1,200 points we'll be earning on this hippo. And now when the listing time comes, okay, as you call, that point will be converted. And the one thing I like about testnet is you're going to be earning at least a tangible amount of money, which is like from 20 to 30, 40, 50, probably 100. Okay, if you've got multiple account, you can actually do this multiple and as you call, stack up your cash, you know. So right here, let's start on doing the tax. Okay, all you have to do is just to tap on this follow. Okay, you say complete manually. You tap on this complete manually, it's going to take you to your X account. So since I've connected it, they're going to know that I've actually followed them. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is their X account. They are verified. So I'm going to tap on the follow. As you can see, following. So this is it, guys. I don't want to show you guys full details of everything. As I've shown you guys the main thing, which is connecting your wallet, connecting your X account, and so forth. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to connect your extension, your wallet extension, to your Mrs. browser, okay, or other browsers I know of. So right here, right now, this is their X account. You can go check them out, okay, study them, and know if they are a good project, okay, you can invest on, or you can waste your time on. Okay, so hip hop is the testnet, okay, airdrop that I just found out and I decided to show you guys. So thank you for watching and stay blessed. Right now I'm back to my account. I'm gonna click on claim, and that one is done. Okay, as you can see right here, 200 hip hop has been credited. 200 hip hop have been credited to my account. So when you keep on doing that, okay, everything is gonna be going according to plan. So this is easy. Okay, when I tap on this connect wallet, connect, since we've how is it called, um enter your SUI wallet address. Okay, since I've connected my wallet, so it will be easy for me to just connect at once on the same platform, okay, which is the Mrs. browser. So right here I am to provide my SUI wallet address. Okay, so that is what I'll be doing right here. Say enter your SUI wallet. So right, I'm just gonna like cancel it. Okay, now go back to my SUI wallet. So this is my SUI wallet address you're seeing right here, this. So I'm just gonna copy it. I've already copied it. Gonna tap on it, tap on that little box you're seeing right here, the right hand corner, then go back, then I'm gonna paste it there, click on enter. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, completed. So that is how you're gonna be doing this, and you're gonna be done with it. Okay, so if you love what I just showed you guys, please leave the video a like, and don't forget to tell me what you feel about my video. Okay, if what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. See you in the next video.